Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, April 10th, 2026, where we delve into the performances of indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The Nasdaq Composite Index led today's performance, closing up 80.47 at 22,902.89, marking its 8th consecutive positive close. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 experienced the most significant downturn, losing 269.23 to end at 47,916.58 amid some upward volatility. In market breadth, decliners led the advances across most indexes today. The S&P 500 had 355 decliners against 135 advances, citing a strong positive trend despite today's close down by 6.77. However, this decline was in line with a broader positive trend. Looking at total returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index marked the highest week-to-date return at around 4.68%. Despite the slight downturn today, all indexes have maintained a strong positive outlook over this week, led by the S&P 400 mid-cap with a robust positive trend. Technology leads the best-performing sectors, closing up 41.61 at 5,507.33. It has shown 8 consecutive days of gains with a mix of positive trends. Basic materials also saw upward movement, increasing by 4.17 amid a strong trend in volatility. Consumer defensive stood out by dropping 13.54 to end at 930.65, reflecting a flat movement over recent days. Meanwhile, healthcare and financial services also declined, losing 23.16 and 9.9 points respectively, though each sector faces varied trends. Austria, iShares ETF, and Brazil, iShares ETF, emerged as top global performers today. Austria rose 2.2%, continuing a strong upward trend for 4 consecutive days. Brazil marked an all-time higher close, escalating by 1.9% with sustained upward volatility. Week-to-date reports for our top global markets showed Brazil, iShares ETF, achieving impressive returns at 7.77%, bolstered by a new milestone. Turkey, iShares ETF, and Austria also marked remarkable returns, highlighting firm positive trends amid strong volatility. In the technology sector, Apple closed slightly lower at 260.48, while Alphabet also saw a dip, closing at 315.84. Amazon, however, surged with a 2% rise, reaching 238.38 amid strong upward volatility. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms and Nvidia saw positive closes, with Nvidia continuing its impressive 8-day streak higher, up 2.6% to 188.75.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently trading at 73,291.80, up by 1,493.79, experiencing some upward volatility for the last 5 days amidst a mixed trend. Ethereum is trading at 2,253.10, with a strong 62.95 rise and upward volatility despite a mixed trend. Both have had a positive 2-day momentum. BNB at 609.71 shows a price rise but sideways movement recently, indicating mixed market signals. Solana at 85.43 breaks upwards after flat movement. Dogecoin at 0.0946 is also seeing a modest upward spike. For recent crypto performance, Bitcoin's week-to-date return is 6.2%, and its year-to-date return has decreased by 16.2%. Ethereum shows a significant 6.8% increase week-to-date, but remained down 24% this year. BNB's returns are mixed, with a slight weekly gain. Solana gained 4.3% in a week, but declined 31.3% year to date. Low volatility reigns for Dogecoin, with a modest weekly return of 2.5%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar-euro is currently at 0.8523, down by 0.0021, marking its fifth consecutive day of decline amidst a strong negative trend. The greenback is showing some downward volatility against the euro today. Against the British pound, the American dollar also continues its 5-day downward trend at 0.7425, falling 0.0018. Meanwhile, the US dollar Japanese yen stands at 159.2930, up by 0.3670, indicating a very strong positive trend for 2 days. For the US dollar Swiss franc, it's mixed with a downward movement in 5 days, currently at 0.7891, slipping 0.0007. Lastly, against the Australian dollar, the American dollar shows a slight upward movement to 1.4130, but remains under a strong negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.